Hello, it's Monty. I'm back with part two of my unboxing of some things that Elisha sent me for my challenge entry. And I guess I'm going to have to figure out some other way to record because it keeps shutting off. It won't give me more than about 10 minutes worth of video. But so here's the two of the embellishments that I already opened in part one, and then here's two more of them. So I will link Elisha's channel, and I'll also link the part one of this video down below so you can check it out. So here's where I was at when my camera stopped. So look at these cute embellishments here. It's got one of these cute little Daiso bags. I'm assuming that's where these are from. Like I said before, I don't have a Daiso or anything, so oh, look at these cute ones. Cute little stars layered up, and then a glitter heart, and then these cute little shaker hearts. Those are so cute. I love those. I love this acetate back here. Really pretty. Thank you. Those are so cute. Okay, then in here, let's see what we have in here. Okay. Ooh, I got some more rosettes. Oh, I love this tag. This holographic paper, and then this puffy heart. So cute. On this ring. All this pretty rickrack trim, and this silver eyelash trim. Super cute. Thank you. Those are so cute. Happy crafting from Elisha. And look at these gorgeous crepe paper rosettes she made me in these pretty centers. So cute. So there's 6 on each page. That one, and then here's 3 more of the same color. So cute. I love them. Thank you, Elisha. And they're glittered up and everything. Oh, these are beautiful. Oh, this is from that Prima paper. I think it's called Lavender. I have that paper. That is really pretty. Thank you, Elisha. So fun. And then these ones in the peach color. So cute. I like how you laid them all out on paper and then made a little flip out of them. So cute. So, Elisha just told me that she opened up my box to put something else in, and she forgot to put the tag flip in. So she told me she's mailing that separately. So I will do the unboxing of that when I receive it. And then I think there's one more. There's one more package which I had sent Elisha a message because it didn't have my name on it, and so I didn't want to open it. But I just heard back from her, and she said that she just mixed up, put mine in somebody else's and somebody else's in mine. So she said it was the same thing, I think is what she was saying. So told me to go ahead and open it. So I'm going to do that. And this is some of that, it's kind of like a vinyl paper, like a, I don't know, maybe it's like a wallpaper or like a shelf liner or something. Whatever it is, it's super cute. Really pretty colors. Oh, cool. The Healthy Mind Cookbook. Nice. Thank you, Elisha. This will... I like to try new recipes and stuff, so this will give me some ideas. Thank you. So fun. Thank you so much for everything you sent. You sent me so much, and I really appreciate it. I especially appreciate all your handmade yumminess that you sent me. Everything is so gorgeous. I love it all. I know it's not the the thing you like to do most. The kind of the clean and simple stuff. But anyway, I really appreciate everything that you've made for me and all the goodies you sent me and everything. Thank you for the inspiration that you give us on your channel. And I've said before, Elisha's first challenge that she ever had was my first challenge that I ever entered. And so it kind of gave me a little bit of confidence to try and, you know, to do some things. I have been crafting for years, paper crafting since my kids were probably 5, 6 is when I started scrapbooking their things. And so I've just continued on, went to card making and anything paper crafts now. And then, of course, I sewed when I was a little bit younger, not much, only because I had to, because I never really liked sewing. But I paint, and I, you know, have done things like, you know, hook rugs and painting and flower arranging and just all different sorts of stuff. I've kind of been from one craft to another, but paper crafting I just absolutely love. So anyway, I hope you guys like this video. Like I say, I will link video 1, the first part, down below, and then also Elisha's channel. Thanks again for watching, everybody. Thank you again, Elisha, for everything that you sent me. I hope you're staying safe and well, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.